Okay, today I'm gonna do a bike check real quick. I ain't got much. I haven't really put much money into it, so But I just went out and bought a Diamondback Viper, and started looking around for parts and stuff, and I ended up finding um, an old redline that had everything I wanted, so I bought that as well. And off the redline, I took they got Formula uh, hubs, which have the 3/8 axles and sealed bearings. I've got the sun rims, and then I've got same thing on the back here. Formula hubs with 3/8 axle and sealed bearings, sun rim, 17 tooth freewheel. I've got the redline proline 180 crank with the older style redline bottom bracket. I got the Mirraco M3 gas pedals. I got the redline proline seat post and just the clamp that was on there. For for bars and forks, those were the ones that were just on the bike originally. And then I've got Redline Pro hex grips. I've got for sprocket, this is the sprocket that was originally on the bike. I do have a specialized 44 tooth as well, but it's bent to hell, so pretty much useless until I straighten it. Yeah. So I gotta take this in and get all these spokes and everything readjusted and straighten my rims, because when I bought the bike they were all messed up. So I did the best I could, but I still gotta take them in and get them done. Just cause yeah. But brake system, I just got that style with the brake pads that were on there. But I'll eventually switch over to uh, redline brake pads, the really long ones. For the headset, it's just a regular ball bearing headset. But I'll eventually, hopefully by this weekend, I'll have an Odyssey headset for that, sealed bearings, and then I'm gonna buy an Odyssey stem as well. The front top load or whatever it's called. So yeah, it's pretty much what I got for my bike. I do a lot of I just do a lot of racing, pretty much with friends and stuff, and I do a lot of dirt jumping. So I mean, I don't need anything fancy. This all works out for me really well so far. So yeah, that's probably about it. So just get back up here so you can see the entire bike. Yeah, I like it. It does what I need, and pretty much that's about it. Alright, thanks for watching.